seems as if it's another complex there. I'll just take a look at that and take on the street. Out here, half a tree. There's a female that will be asking her the name of this place that you can come and check it. So she show off, is it?
It's not tea. We give cha.
Cha is what?
A cup of cha.
What is cha?
Instead of a cup of tea, because of the size of the cup,
Okay.
it's now a cup of cha. So you don't get a big cup. You know?
Cha.
The greedy cup.
I
You
tell
don't
you.
do the greedy cup.
Yeah, make sure, I'm gonna make sure it's a good attend to the female before something happen here. One of them, man. Big up on yourself, man.
Big up.
Yeah. So where you from?
From Demonton.
Denhampton?
Yeah.
So I walk on a walk there?
No, that's
Eh? Hey, hi traveling family. Welcome to another video. And today I'll be walking Constant Spring Road. Oh, it's gonna be another long one for Everblessed Travels. So I'll be walking from Constant Spring Road to Manor Park. What do you think Everblessed can manage? Alright. Before you be the guest of it, let's take the journey on with me and let's see what Constant Spring Road has to offer. My people. It's called Master Mark. Yes. Nice building. I'm going to take on Constant Spring Road like this. Traveling family. Are you ready for this journey? We're not going in a hurry. We're going to take a little time and show you slowly. A Constant Spring Road after. Pick up yourself, Missy. Alright. So we're walking. And I saw Constant Spring Road look. That's 2025. And we start at Started Road. As I said before, we now take on the journey and in a hurry. Take a little time. Yeah. Because it's gonna be a long walk. And I'm just gonna be hoping that I'm gonna be having a lot of persons who will be journeying with Everblessed Travels and appreciate the walk by giving this video a like. Take time, Papi, take time. Yeah. Big improvement to this road. Been a long time don't travel this part of ground. Time past that. It used to be one lane. One lane go that way, one lane go that way. They now improve it. So you have two lanes go one way and two lanes go the other way. Alright. So the cyclists you have players down. Same. Outside. Yeah. By the time when you're down here now talking to my people, I'll be giving you time to absorb in the beauty of what this place has to offer. So I know all the while you're going to hear everybody talk, say. Queen's Court apartment. There you go. 125.5 Constant Spring Road. That's nice. Tile City. Should I take a little walk inside of it and see all the beauty that's inside there after I don't. But anyway, we're not going to do much of the building them today, we're just going to take on the streets. Alright. what's the name? Stainless. Stainless what? Family. Hi mother, how you doing today? Alright. The complex. At this time of the day, my people, the sun is really hot. But nevertheless, decide that he's gonna be taking on the street for you guys. For the persons who are familiar with this area, drop a comment and to tell everybody as to how you feel about this walk and where would you like to see me travel next time around. As I said, this area, I haven't been to it. I have never walked this area. I drive a lot, but not since all this improvement done. We used to one lane go one way and one lane go the other way. Now we have 1, 2, 3 lane. Big improvement. Yeah man. I love it. Yeah man. Yeah. Really love the improvement in this country called Jamaica. You go with the general? You come here all the time? Yeah. The family general family here. Ask somebody what them think about the area, how they love the improvement comparing to a couple years ago. This road I think this road supposed to be about 3 years old. Yeah. You go with here? Same here. Now I walk to Manor Park from so go further down Fields. You think me can manage? Yeah. Me a traveler man, me a YouTuber. Yeah, you do social? You want to hear my vlog? I'm a YouTuber. So where you walking to? Yeah. Where you walking to?
I'm walking out.
Oakland? Yeah. That time there, sir?
Yeah.
I want to go short journey in the yard, man. So how long you're familiar with this area?
Yeah, man.
How you feel about the improvement of this place? Because the last time I traversed, it was one lane go that way, one lane go this way. Yeah. Now we improve. Country a step up to the plate, right?
Yeah, you know way.
Yeah, man, me love it. Me love it. Big up yourself with it. No, well, let me show you how you reach my vlog. Check out the vlog, yeah? Like, share, and subscribe, and share with the family and friends. Big up yourself, my general.
Yeah.
Outside. So you see it? Him say I love the improvement. And I might check out the vlog and see what me have to offer. With the other rest of vlogs them that I done. And as me say, if you're a man or you're a woman, no, let me put it the other way. If you're male or female and you see a blessing in the street, have no fear. Say hi. Because you know what? I will tell you that I appreciate. So have no fear when you see a blessing in the street. Give me a yell. Yeah. Now, some man can think I can walk to Manor Park and say, what that mean? That mean I don't know what I take on for myself today. Jamaica walk by. Why? I don't know when I stop calling for your name because over the past years I've been watching you, inspired by you. I don't know if it's for a reason, I never had no chance to stick on. But I like. As the video tours, yeah, one of them man will walk up and down, you know. And you take on the street and take it on without fear, you know. So if you take on the street without fear, what do you think I should? Yeah, I take it on without fear. Hi Princess, how you doing? You taking the bus? Okay, sorry, I was gonna ask the princess a question, but she's gonna take the bus. Two at the time. Two at the time to answer every service question. So I go ask. Think of yourself, picture. You just walk in the length of my camera. You mind camera? I think you just walk in the length of my camera. You didn't know that I was doing a vlog? That direction take you to where? Manindale. Okay, so this one carries you to Manor Park. Yeah. So far you walking to? Here. Oh, you gonna have a drink? Huh? You gonna have a drink? No, just pay attention to someone. Yeah, say hi to everybody, Travis. Hello, hi. Yeah. So you want so you having the socials? What you do? DJ or what you do? What you do? You a big DJ? No, I just work at Oakland. You work at Oakland. Oh, you do maintenance over there? Yeah, and I also go to church. Nice. Which church you go? Studio Bethel. Big up your pastor. Huh? Big up your pastor. Okay. Big up your pastor and all of the females that go to church. Well, I big up my Bishop Devon Charles Brown, and I pick up all the things here. Yes. Appreciate you, my brother. All right. Share the link with them. Okay. And I'll make them see how you big them up. All right. Ever blessed travels. Okay. I take on the street. I walk on Oakland. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I know Oakland. I walk on Manor Park. I just left Oakland. So instead that one is the Manning Road, Kingston Road, Stone Hill, and we'll take it on, just like that, no fear. Yeah. Richie B. I wonder if I Richie B when me familiar with. Ever blessed travel is outside. Yeah. I entertain the people left. Blow the hand again. You have enough to blow it. Alright. Nice. I tell the truth now, people. Drive the year all the time, you know. So I'm not sure of the journey where I take on, you know. So you know me kinda drive this year for a long time. I haven't been to this part of ground. So only me no misjudge the walk and then me can't take it on, you know. And me have to go take a bus to finish off the journey now. I would have laughed after me. Yeah. Brother. Luxury at the Oh yes. Oh yes. So then nice. Nice car sale right here. Ever blessed now, but I go in the safari. Ever blessed no sleep no. If you don't know luxury league, I'm not to read the current. What luxury? I'm coming. All you have to do while you go and expose yourself. Look out for your travels because I'll be coming. Luxury life. I'm coming. No joke. Yeah, man, they walk through. Most of the bus here got town. Yes. You go. Take on the street like this. I should have checked the time I start. Then I know how long it takes me to. From Charlotte Road to Manor Park. So, no, so Manor Park supposed to have a bus. Kind of, I'm more busy here than just taking on the street. Yeah, man. But if I bless I take on the street, I take it on without fear. Kimali Mat. That's what that's name. Chemtech. Alright, when I reach near, I'll see what it says. Stay. Seems as if it's another complex there. I'll just take a look at that and take on the street. Go out here, half a tree, half a tree. Ever best service is outside. How you doing today, Princess? I'm a YouTuber. I go by the name Ever Best Service. I'm just taking the journey from South to Manor Park between the Germany. Me ask you question and you laugh for me. You can show people you laugh for.
No.
Okay. What do you do over there? What do you do in that building there?
Not sure.
Chemtech.
Don't know if it's a call center.
I appreciate that. They check out all the service. And I would also you can show the Instagram from Instagram. Like Instagram? Got it out? Show out the sitting one.
Right now.
Mommy, I'll make Mommy the cute car again.
Oh, you say you're not show out the Instagram? You know nobody follow you. Alright, appreciate yourself. Yes. We're outside. Outside without fear. You need to know what they do over the place. You need to know what they do over there. Up there. I'm going to be asking again, my people. Leave in the comment section for me what they do in that building there. I have no idea. Name is kind of strange too. I'm see they have a lot of cars too. It's a we trade. Yeah, that means everybody can carry this and pick up and left it and drive out one of them luxury car there. Hey! And over here, sir. Oh, it's a garden. There's a garden there with a lot of flowers. A lot of plants. Wow. I wonder how many of my subscribers need some plants. Hello? 1 minute, please. Shit. Huh? I mean, I'm coming to see what you have. So, I see this place with lots of plants. So I wonder if any of you interested in them. I'll show a bit. Nice place. These are grapes. Young grapes. Wow, this place is interesting. So if you see any plant that you like, there's a female that will be asking her the name of this place that you can come and check it out. How are you doing, Princess? I'm a YouTuber and I'm walking through and I see this nice place here. I wonder if you could give me any information about this place.
Welcome to this place. The sell flowers. They've been here for a very long time.
So you can tell me the name of the place and
Perfect and garden.
so can I show you while you talk?
No,
Okay.
don't want to be unknown.
Alright, check out the channel. Please. Please check out my channel. I'm just gonna wave the camera around without you. I like those plants there. It's called snake plant?
Mm-hmm. Or Sansevieria.
Yeah? Sansevieria, right, correct name. Okay. Wow. Wow, see all these good people. Beautiful. What is the name of the place again?
Super Pet and Garden Center.
Super Pet and Garden Center on Kingston Spring Road. All right.
28 Constance.
Oh yeah. You know, say I want cute little smile where everybody would want to see.
No, I don't want to find no camera.
Cheese and peas. I'm sure you water boat. I'll show you people see her there. She's about 4 feet tall, my people.
Leave me alone.
She also has a bright smile where no one would want to miss. And she wear a hat with cover down, that means the sun up burn her neck. She don't want her husband to see a whole roughy on her neck. So, Princess, check out the channel and you see how I showcase, yeah? Alright. Nice garden. Could you tell me what they do over that place?
Huh?
What they do over there?
It's a building that don't finish construction.
No, what it is, the call center? Nice garden. Some people, if you want to purchase some flowers, all different types, mango tree, what land? They have everything. You have orange, you have mango, you have Nisberry, you have Guinness, you have, whoa, fruitful, guava, June plum. Wow, this is June plum. This is apple, our local apple. It is an engrafted one, don't take long to bear. Who know this one? This is called custard apple. No joke. This is called custard apple. And they are engrafted. So they're going to take 10 years to take it there. Quick time. And this is grape. And if I purple one or a green one. But me already familiar myself with. Yeah. So, ever bless I take on the street. No fear. No joke. That building. She said it's going to be a call center. Nice building. Nice one, that one. Kentech. Outside. Constance Mirror. Sweet building. Country Jamaica improve, you know. And I improve faster. Yeah, man. Turn if you have to turn the gym, you know, in your way. Alright. Side Kingston. Well, if I work man over there, so I did them final paving and all them things. Beautify the place. Yeah. Sports shop on the right here, sir. So if you walk the street, you can stop and draw some money in your pocket. You buy your girl a lunch. You're not supposed to buy a girl a lunch, you're supposed to buy your wife a lunch. Yeah. Ever blessed believe in a marriage. So if ever blessed believe in a marriage, why ever blessed not married? Yeah. I soon hear a wedding bell, man. Not too long from now. Why ever blessed now like certain things. See, that bus is parked so close to that wall. I know. So if we can stay and check it is about 3 inches from the wall, the driver can handle in business. Outside. So I've been walking for a while. I'm here, somebody are watching us here. So every place I walk up, it's so long I will not see him all now. See him here? I'm walking at the car. Constance Road. And now that you see me, I'm going to tell you, bro, you've been watching for a while. You don't like the video yet, you don't subscribe, and you don't comment. So I'm going to be asking if you to please do so. Yeah, man, and put a smile whenever blessed from his face. Smile and walk another journey for you. Yeah, man. So see you now. After we decide to take on this video, we decide to show consent. Yeah. Walk on me, daddy. How where you walk go? Yeah? I walk from the way for up a short road that go to Manor Park. You think we can manage?
Yeah, man.
We can manage?
Yeah, man.
You do it all the way? How are you? lot of new cars for sale. So I'm Beamer there. Yeah, man. Hey, Bless. I'm with you driving there. And now I'm fret and worry. The people them soon. The people must subscribe. They must like the video. And they must leave sweet comment. And tell me what them thing that I hear before buy. One of them. Them some nice. Yeah, some nice dolly outside there. Where you are say? I check out the travels. So you look so serious. May I talk to you now, answer. So today we are with?
Hi, here with Kerry.
Yes.
Welcome to Maiso the Elegance. We are one day tech. Right show. So we do nails here.
Yes.
Come along.
Okay.
So here we have the steam room.
Yes.
Yes. So you can get a full body massage. After you can get a steam. And all of these nice things. You can take a look on the inside.
The people.
We got some very
If you're not interested in coming in, something wrong.
And guess what? You can have your comfort because you have music in your ears while you are
So you
steaming.
sit. But maybe I can consider one.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, so we can go with anything in the meantime, nicely.
Let me like
Joke, like that.
That's up to you. That's up to you. That's up to you.
All right, I want to keep it to you.
Oh, I turn it off from
So what are you doing at this point?
Alright, so here we have the massage area.
Okay. We are
Facial, body massage.
Yeah. Very nice. I like the tiles in there.
Yes.
And you do what there? That's your storage here.
Yes. Yeah, she just switched this on now.
And this, and I also noticed that in this little circle, it's full of beautiful women.
Yes, it does.
Chacha.
Yes.
Especially she.
Yes.
Take a look at her, my people.
Thank you.
Elegant. Nice. And in your smell, real nice.
Thank you. Of course.
Real nice. Some people
smell nice.
Yeah. So inside here, so is where Everbless is gonna take a steam out. I mean, I was telling the truth from now and not too long from now. For me kind of feel jealous. I mean, I'm going to do it right now. Look out.
Come on.
She called me again. All right.
So over here
Yes.
is a pedicure chair.
Okay.
I want you to know that when you sit in this chair, it's a chair of comfort.
Jaja.
Know that. My chair massages your back.
Yes.
While you get a perfect pedicure done.
So let me tell you, let me ask this question now. If I came in and say I want a full body massage, I get the chair, I get my toes, I get the bed feel lie down around there, we get the steam out of the place, tell me the price for full life.
Everything.
So what the price of that? What the price
It's
of
a
that?
package.
Ah.
You get a discount when you come.
Jesus.
We'll talk about that. Come along. Come along.
I will watch TV.
Come along. Musical. And guess what?
This mother here, she just keeps smiling. Oh baby. Hey. Look at her. Chacha.
She just do her toes. She just do her nails.
That's like she feel like she never. Oh
And
yo.
her nails.
I put them come out.
She just done those ones.
It's a female.
Yeah.
When you not ask me if you can't come, me broke.
And here we go again.
Free
See?
drink.
This is on the house.
Chacha.
You don't pay for it.
So
come.
I am here now. Fix my glass.
No problem.
She's happy. No, me no drink. How much percent liquor then? How much percent of liquor?
It's on there. It's on there.
Don't say it.
Me no trouble. Me no trouble liquor.
Alright, that's okay. That's okay.
Never bless the free that liquor with people.
We also.
Me say you see the female. Me say she show off. You see.
It's not tea. We give cha.
Cha is what?
Cup of cha.
What is cha?
Instead of a cup of tea, because of the size of the cup,
Okay.
it's now a cup of cha. So you don't get a big cup. You know,
Cha.
the greedy cup.
tell
You know,
you.
the greedy cup.
Me I make sure. Me I go make sure that I go attend to the female before something happen here. She is, and she keeps staring at me. What are you saying this afternoon? How are you doing? Nice? I like your dress. She said, Lillian, fluffy. Well, you fluffy diva. Look on her. Cha-cha.
And guess what, guys? We also do African clothing.
Hey.
African clothing.
Yeah.
It's an elegant look.
Yes.
Right? Believe me.
Yes.
So you can come and get your nails done,
Yes.
your pedicure done,
Yes.
your manicure done,
Yes.
your body massage, your
Yes.
body steam,
Yes.
and big up to the nail tech.
So you're ready to give a number as to how we can reach you? We're going upstairs too? That's so much business, place I go. May I follow back here? Wow.
Alright guys,
Yeah.
I just tell you about the African clothing.
Yes.
Right?
So why don't hide that little spot just so a lot of people don't know about you guys.
People, for all the...
Wow. Me female, me know you come at me again for one of them suit, yeah? Jaja. African style.
For the male?
People get married in these suits, in these suits.
Yes. Look,
And this is for the man.
this is the male.
Oh sha. Oh sha. Huh. Oh sha. Huh. Well, so can you quote me the price of some of these?
Alright. This is a 12,000.
Wow. That means them are clothes, them are show off.
And these, guess what? These are not Pinks and Pablo's material.
Cha-cha.
They are straight from Africa.
Africa didn't come from? Cha-cha. Big up the Kenyan people. Some all of me Nigerian people, all of me Kenyan fans. When see we're going to Jamaica, we don't have to come a phone country to get something there. Do you have any of the African bands that you put on your hand?
We have some chain downstairs.
Not the chain, the band. I want a handband. So put on my hand that when I pint, everyone can see that I'm a part of the African race. Proud of my some nice, real nice clothes. Let me take a look walk down here actually and see some of the stuff that you have. Wow, down here, up here. It's a lucky thing, me see statue down there, so. Some of people, you see people then big and bold. So this is our hat?
Yes, these are hats.
Oh yeah. Cha-cha. Nice.
African bags.
Nice.
See?
Yeah. You see, you go on. That's why your husband married you. You see, you're married, man. I'm not about to ask you no question. I know you're not married, sitting there
And the lady there
sitting there with a
the
man.
clutch purse, sit here.
You call it clutch purse? Why they call it clutch purse?
Because it don't eat.
You don't have no hang, no
Yeah.
strap on it. You just clutch
It's
it.
clutch.
Cha-cha.
On the side, right?
Yes. The police come out. Kingston Spring Road.
130, and you can find us at 138 Kingston Spring Road.
Yes.
Alright, guys?
Yes. That is it. We're going back downstairs. Yeah. Alright, you go now.
Turn on the lights here, so. And guys, don't forget, please subscribe to Ever Blessed channel.
Yeah.
Right? Subscribe, people, subscribe.
Yes.
On here.
Cha-cha.
Let's come on here. You know that you can cut and paste. We're also looking at when you're doing your, is it manicure? When you're doing your pedicure, we have your hot towels. It's not hot at the moment.
Okay.
Don't turn it on.
Yeah.
Yet.
Yes.
But you got hot towel.
Yes.
Where's the stones? We've got hot towels that we use to massage your feet
Yeah.
very well.
Yeah. So them towel you get hot that way you put it on me, jump up some?
We put it there, we close it there, we turn it on, and
Yeah.
the towel get very hot.
So me have to jump up when you put it on me?
No.
Okay.
It's just nice.
Okay.
Massage it, allow your blood to flow properly.
You know say how she do at don't show me done the flag and do one of them massage. Una listen to her, una listen to how she go on. But I have to walk to Manor Park.
I know.
I promise my people I'll be walking from Charlotte Road
But you
to Manor Park.
you stop here, so you must listen to what I'm saying.
I'm listening.
Okay. So upon getting this one done, you also get your stones. Hot stones. So here we go.
This is a stone?
Hold on.
Oh,
No, that's
it's a stone case.
Come
I'm
on.
not frightened. I'm not frightened.
So whatever type of stone you may want, we use this and we massage, put it on the plate. We plug this in, it's hot as well, nice for your skin, and we massage the body everywhere.
Somebody might misunderstand what you're just saying now. So
massage.
your
Pardon?
Body.
Your leg, it could be your leg, it could be your chest, it could be your chest, it could be your back, you know, it could be your legs, it could be even when you're doing your facial, the smaller ones, they use it and, you know, make your face look young, and all these things. Okay? Thank you very much.
This place is cool. And everyone here is awesome. You just present your place like... thank you so much.
Thank you too.
I love the kind of advertisement here. Some people, I'm going to be asking a few. After she presents herself so well, give me one reason why you wouldn't come back and get a massage done. Now wait man, I'm not telling me. I'm not getting an answer right now, but we know you're getting in the comment section.
Okay.
Jaja. Awesome crew.
Okay.
So everyone here works here?
Well, no, some people come to do their feet.
Oh.
Okay. And also, when upon using your steam room, you will be in privacy. What we do, we fly this one like that, and we pull the curtains around while this is in motion. And we give you your privacy here. And we ensure that no one can see you while you are inside of the steam room.
Okay.
So we turn the music on.
What kind of music?
There's music in here. Look all around here. Classical music. There's music here. We turn the music on from here. When we turn it on, we turn the music on. The music is there. And we can, I'm gonna have to. I haven't touched it for a while, so I will turn it on. I haven't been here. But we'll have to program the music too.
Okay.
The music of your likings is there while you sit there. And it could be a couple. It could be a couple. One over there, one over here. And then you've got all the lights will then light up. And then you'll be locked in.
When you're finishing, you say your whole entire body will wet.
When you finish, your whole body will be steamed and feel lovely.
So you have to go inside without clothes?
Yes, you can put on your bath suit if you want.
Okay.
You can come in your bath suit. We've got big white towels. That you can rock.
So a nice question I ask. Do you ever have any experience of somebody, like for instance a female, a male or a female, wrap themselves with a towel and as they get out the towel will fall off?
The towel will fall off?
I'm asking if you ever have that incident.
It's wrapped properly.
Okay.
It's wrapped safely and properly. And even if it fall off, it will still be in privacy.
Okay, I just want to know.
Okay?
She is saying, this guy here is... she had bright eyes. she keep opening her eye and saying, this guy is... You're searching 500 subscribers?
He's giving me a subscribe right now. Subscribe.
So I'm going to ask a few more people to imitate her. May I tell people to imitate you and subscribe to the page?
Imitate me and subscribe.
That is it.
You're going to subscribe now.
Yes. African girls say that. Some people. We be. Thank you so much. I need a number for you guys so that I don't have any.
Yeah, give a number for
Yes.
please.
Give a number as to how our person.
You can get us at 381-8114.
Yes.
And you got the card there, don't know the money.
Yes, give me a card. Let me show the
Take
card.
it off the card. You don't have money?
You don't
What
have a
about
card?
this one?
If you want next number.
Give me a minute, I'll give you the number.
Some people, the light in this GoPro camera will flicker the light. The light inside is not flickering, but for the sake of the GoPro, it will flicker. So don't mind that. It is not the light that is creating the problem. See, I don't know why GoPro always do that. But you keep an eye on me and I said nothing. Oh, your name is Fluffy. What's your name? Fluffy Diva.
Okay. Another telephone number.
Yes.
You can call is 386 3688
Right.
or 349 8644.
Yeah.
Moiso the Elegance.
Cha-cha. Real African princess.
Thank you.
The people don't see how she come out.
Yeah, nice.
They don't see how she come out. I tell you what. YouTube! Thank you. But if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here
Yes.
to interact with beautiful people.
Thanks.
I'll be taken on the street.
Yeah.
Have yourself a wonderful evening.
God bless you.
You're punching with the married man. You see what you're punching with. And a married man with nothing that ring up upon it. So we can have a punch with you married man.
You want my married one?
Married man. Yeah, married man too.
Yeah.
What tell you married man? You're married man too.
I don't have it on, but I'm married.
Jaja.
You took my
Kingston Road, you have done it. So you can, as I say, as I visit this nice place here, I don't know what I should use to bell. Maybe you could use that as a ear mark. Or maybe you could use that cambio as a ear mark. For this place, so look out for the red building, there is a cambio. What the name of that? What the name of that place there? How we find there's a cambio? What the plaza name? Gateway. All right. So this place is across Gateway, and this is the princess that talked to me earlier on. And these are the mannequins that draw my intention. Are you boyfriend?
Yeah, my boyfriend.
Cha-cha. We can't manage you know. Hi, princess. Just a look on the African. Just a look on this. Some of people did that is name of this place. Nice. We're going that way. Manor Park. That is it. Going that way. Beautiful place. Never listening that exaggerate inside. Inside is cool. And the Africans are awesome. I tell you the truth. Back out to Big Green today. Go along the road. Big up yourself. Alright, drive up. I never bless I walk up the street. Yeah man. I wonder how much walking never bless I've left to. Stoplight. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Kingston Road. The improvement of this place is awesome. And the rain will come down. It's going to wet me up. Whatever bless sticking on this place without fear. No joke. Yeah. Nice. So, my people, without any joke, any apology, I will be getting myself a massage at that beauty spot there. Yeah man. I mean, the full package me want. Everything. Yeah. And make sure so me get it. Because if me not take it, might be I have to stop the all of them walking. Good afternoon, my princess. My name is Ever Blessed Travel. Go get beautiful people and place. Just show you on the vlog. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to mommy? Alright. Manor Park. Ever Blessed I come. Yeah. JUTC bus, one behind the other. How that work? Have to space them out. Yeah. That's job. Hi, mother. Yeah. Light posts are infested with pictures. Yeah. Time for you to go. I mean, if you wait. At the stoplight there. For the place. Yeah. Right now, if you're gonna, if you knock me down now, you're on the red lights. Alright. It's my time. Hillman Road. My people, ever blessed travel is outside. Media. Another parking lot for where? Massage over so I want to think this massage place that I just showed there can compare with the one that I just left. Yeah, and as I can look, I can see the landmark from Manor Park, that high-rise building there. Yes, super value. Yeah, all of the fancy places there. Fresh Foods, Wendy's, Domino's. Hey, so you know what? Very nice. Festival. Yeah. Very nice. You know, with the Beverly today. Super value. Them like for them set up them land. Yeah. The way how they plant the palm along this area remind me of Florida. This is how when you enter the malls in Florida, that's where you look. Oh yeah, wonderful. I who don't know some travel. Yeah, I travel all over the place now. I've been traveling for the past 10 years. So I've been traveling for a while, but most of my time I visited Florida. Yeah man, and Florida, big. So Florida, I've all Tampa, I've been to Philadelphia in the winter. Play with the snow, but I haven't been to those places. I've been to many of these places since I become a YouTuber, but I make a promise my people that I'll be visiting these places. I will. Have a new life, assemble one church. Come on, you go inside this and pastor. You got the pulpit and the pastor pray for you. Wow. Check out the place. Yeah, man. So you want to say hi? Okay. Alright. We're not afraid to be shout out now. If you have Instagram and all this, shout it out, see? Up top. Yeah. Wendy. So we're vlogging this week. Batman, they must take control. Constant stay good. Nice place over there. Yeah. Canton Spring Road, nice. So for the persons who traveled and live overseas for a number of years, take a good look and see what Canton Spring Road is like. For all of the persons who live back Clarendon, all of them places. Clarendon and all them places there. Never travel to this part of ground. If I better show them to you, man. So see them there. Yes. It's been a beautiful walk. Yes. And look like somebody make a mistake right there. Yeah. See? Somebody buy them water and go down wait for a bus and just left the water right there. So. Yeah. Yeah. So I think I've been walking for a while now. I'm meeting a full time now, to become bigger. Jason and Gina. Hey. A couple channel. My people are going to be asking if you to check out the channel. Yeah, man. They're hailing from out of the US. You guys can see them link up with Everblessed Travel in the now video that is there. Yeah, man. That now video. Yeah. Some of people. I'm going to be asking if you to check out Jason and Gina. Some beautiful content. Hailing from out of the US. The travel to Jamaica here. They link up with Everblessed Travel. And I'm saying I appreciate you, my family. Yeah, man, go walk in the street. Yeah. 3 Mile on TV. Take a walk in here and feel your brother. Me walk, you go catch fish. Yeah, man. Some people, 3 Mile on this, Panama is my elder. And him travel around and so beautiful. And him do fishing village. Fishing content. So I'm going to be asking a few more people to check out 3 Mile on TV. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. I'm doing a vlog right now. You want that? Alright. The princess said, you know what YouTube? Family.
Yes.
Outside. Yeah. Alright. So I don't remember where the market used to be. It used to be a market here, and I was told that while this road was being arranged, the market was removed. So where did that market move to? I'm blessed to know. What would I like know? Yeah. You know, so the road there, you can carry down back Crowville Gardens. Yeah, that road. That one they can take you back to Crowville Gardens. And I'm sure about that. Yeah. But I think that I noticed new these days. You notice that the light posts are festive with pictures. Yeah. Election season is in the year. The crazy season. And there it goes. The sun is right there, peeping down on Everblessed Travels. So I'm saying to you, son, appreciate you. I keep shining. Yeah. And if you see in the distance there, that upstairs building here is it's like a monument. Yeah. So them picture them have up on the wall, my people. Everywhere you're turning like in Jamaica yesterday. Yeah. The light posts them colorful. Yeah, for the silly season. So I'm not too far away from Manor Park because I can see that upstairs building there. And I know that that building is at the foot Up Stony Hill. From Manor Park. If a place is not too far away, I'm coming. We're outside. And we're outside like the white line. Since Jamaica yard stand. Jamaica yard stand, you know, something like the slang there. Family, I come off I work. How you mean? When I work, you have to eat. So you have to work for your food. Yeah. Some people in the distance there. In that distance there, it's Manor Park. Yeah. So if I'm let's take it on and take it on without fear. And that says no joke. We have Manor Park Center. The people I work with understand. They put Manor Park Center on the left and Manor Park on the right. So that's Manor Park Center, my people. You have Kimalamart, only what I pronounce the name the right, and some other places. And we have a nice one here. So. Whole power just supposed to run that everybody there. And rain fast. Fastest way to pizza, what that mean? We don't know. But we know so that yeah. Alright. Outside. Yeah. We're taking on the street. Yeah. How you doing, Margo? You familiar with this area? You familiar with this area? I'm walking from Charter Road to Manor Park. Is it new kid?
No, good exercise.
Good exercise?
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. I go by the name of the channel. You want to say hi to your children? You want to say hi to my vlog? No vlog. Okay, that's hi. Yeah. I asked Margo if she think the wicked who walk from Charter Road to Manor Park. She said no, good exercise. For me, that's good encouragement. That means I'll be walking some more. Yeah, man. So while we continue to do the video, they're going to ask the question. What do you think we can do this walk? I'm going to big up Jamaica walk by. Crazy. How am I big up Jamaica walk by? And I've been watching Jamaica walk by for years. And love what I do. And decide say, me can do it too. So me I do it. And me I do it. And me sure know say I live a lifestyle. See it. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know him see it. We're waiting on my turn to walk. When is my turn to walk? Outside, some people see, as I was telling you, that's the coming to Manor Road here. Hi, how you doing, princess? I'm a YouTuber. You want to shout out Instagram? I'm a YouTuber. I'm in the vlog on the screen. You want to give yourself a shout out?
Oh no.
No Instagram?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
So give yourself a shout out, princess.
Yeah, it's okay.
You don't want to try? Treasure. So. Princess said she okay. She don't want to shout out. Yeah. But all for that, she don't want to shout out. Whatever, they still at the can sweet. I'm gonna take it down without fear. No joke. See. So Kirky, how do I live in? You see every place I take on street? Yeah, man. Every place I take on street, man. I'm gonna take it down without fear. See? Continue to show you the beauty of this place. Yeah, man. That's been a long walk. Really nice one. It's over the evening. Start to get cool. Yeah. Yeah. Start to get cool. I will little walk through. So now we are at Manor Park. And this is Manor Park, my people. This is. I wonder if I should have walked it on the road or walk it on the inside of Manor Park. Yes, me. Pick up yourself in general. Yeah. Playing heavy music. So that outside. And the outside of Manor Park. Manor Park is inside. Never better go. Step inside, walk around a little bit, interact with 1 and 2 people, see if I can meet some new friends. Some people, whichever country you're watching from, appreciate you. Whichever state, appreciate you. Yeah. So you see a skater on bad road, and then we can show him skate. So they're watching us skate. Skater outside. Outside. That is it. I think I want the foreign people skate. Skate at Jamaica. It's a Manor Park. We're in a Manor Park, so I'm not sure exactly which space is there. I don't know if I should go continue up that way. I should say this way. So I'm gonna be just walking around. Very interesting building, that one. Very interesting building. Check it out. Ah. Oh, I assume that's where the market used to be. My brother, that's where the market used to be?
Yeah.
Oh, so where they,
down there, sir.
so where they move it and put it now? Oh, eh? Only on Saturdays. Okay. Oh, they moved the market from there and put it there, but they say it's only on Saturday. We paid them, my brother. I'm walk on the street for it. I mean, as a street boy, I walk on the street a little bit. Not inside the Manor Park yet. Yeah, but the building there. Yeah, very interesting one. Yeah. Some people have made it from Chartwood Road to Manor Park. It's a long stretch. Never better have done it. Feel it's great. Nice. Yeah, so walking through, walking through. Yeah. I want to put myself a water, but I want to make sure I buy it from a very interesting person. Walking through. Showing the building there. Outside. Joe. For the phone? Right, Lister. I've done that walk from Chartwood to Manor Park. Somebody said, ask me if I'm crazy.
It must be crazy because when I looked at the journey, I was like, oh, you have to manage.
But I manage. So my people, I'm gonna be closing off this video here. So now let's go that way and close it. So my people, we're walking to. So my people, thank you so much. I've journeyed from Chartwood Road to Manor Park. A really long and interesting one. And my people, I'm going to be asking you for this journey. I'm going to be asking you to like, share and subscribe. Leave a sweet comment for Evilbase Travels. And you tell me where you want to travel to next. And we are saying so long, and I will see you in the next one. We are outside. Like a white line in the street. Manor Park.